debris. We have debris.
Keep going, people.
It's going to pass the roadway. Stop. Look at what's falling down. Stop here. It looks like it's traveling north. Get ready to give yourself an escape plan to either cross the median and head the other way. That's tearing up the industrial park. It's on Desio Drive, Rhodes Drive. Look at this. This is crazy. That could easily head into their area. That seems where it's heading. Yeah. It's crossing the expressway right now.